Hello, what's your name?
My name is Diego Rivera.
How are you?
I am 27 years old.
What is your hometown?
I grew up in Carmen de Atrato, Chocó.
Where do you live?
I live in Carmen de Atrato.
What is your marital status?
I am married.
What is your habit?
I like to play football, soccer.
What is your occupation?
I am a smelter in a chemical laboratory.
Talk about your work experience.
I just work in a concrete laboratory.
What is your academic background?
I am studying sport management at Universidad Nacional.
What is your personal qualities?
My personal qualities are responsibility, respect for order, and I always try to find a solution to difficulties.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
My skills are empathy, critical thinking, and adaptation. My weaknesses are shyness and distrust.
What makes you the best candidate for to have?
I am a good candidate because I consider that I meet the requirement and I always try to learn.
What will we get if we hire you?
If you hire me, you will have more support to meet the objectives of the company.
Bye bye.
Thank you.